Hello everyone, I am Ruswini Pasomba. This time I will present material about the role of mental health support in school as a final semester exam text. Mental health is a condition of a person that allows the development of all aspects of development, both physical, intellectual, and emotional, optimally and in harmony with the development of other people. So that they are then able to interact with the surrounding environment. Mental system points or mental function such as strong feelings, will, attitudes, perception, views, and life belief must coordinate with each other, so that harmony emerges that avoids all feelings of doubt, anxiety, and inner conflict or contradiction within the individual himself. The characteristic of a normal of healthy person are people who are able to work productively in accordance with the demands of their social environment, will also being able to participate in a life full of love. The only way to be healthy is to embrace freedom and express it rather than just feel it. Therefore, to important mental health in the classroom, one way is not prove and hone the ability for students to freely express themselves in learning, respect, and assist students with love and prevent students from experientially actionally in class. And then the fact and statistic. The health of students is one of the responsibility of the school, where all staff at the school have the potential to play a role in building mental health in school. And teachers have a big role in building mental health in school because teachers are the figures who interact most often with students. Lack of mental health at school is caused by the majority of students not being creative, so they cannot express their ideas and thoughts. Creativity can emerge if the teacher provides stimulus. Apart from that, it can be assured that most students cannot express emotion appropriately because they are afraid to express them or simply do not know how to show emotion importantly. In fact, most suddenly how cannot get enough laughing, it's difficult to express affection. This could be the case causing mental health in the classroom at this school to be in the accurately category. The good quality of mental health in school can be interpreted as the teaching method used by some teachers being less than pleasant, interesting, and fun learning for students. The character, temperament, and personality of teacher can also influence mental health in the classroom. Some teachers feel that the approach of some teacher is not appropriate to student development. This can be seen from students not being given freedom of expression in learning. Teachers who like to school students also play a role in poor mental health in the classroom. In fact, the teacher's character as a teacher can be used as a model of behaviors for students, especially in learning. And then sample case. Police investigate 12 witnesses in case of elementary school students who did allegedly bully by classmates in Medan. And then characters. And then challenge. One of the major obstacles experienced by teachers in carrying out their role in promoting mental health in school is the lack of training aimed at developing teacher capacity in school mental health. The need to reverse mental health training, of course, requires school to the preferred special budget plan aimed at mental health program in school. Unfortunately, due to limited funds, not many schools are willing to roll conflict. Some teachers see that their duty or role are mainly limited to academic or teacher. Some teachers see that the demands of playing a role in mental health can hinder them for completing academic or teaching tasks which according to the teacher are the main that yes when applying to work at school. The important role of teachers in building students' mental health at school needs to be a big conquered for school. The barrier obstacles faced by teachers in carrying or their role need to be addressed comprehensively by the school by paying attention to the next teacher need to be actively involved in school mental health. And then impact on students. Apart from mental health problems that are directly visible, there are also impacts that may not be divisible to the naked eye but contribute to a directly in the victim's psychology well-being. For example, feelings unsafe in a school environment can make victims feel anxious every time they are in the environment, perhaps even influence their decision to attack school or not. Not only that, feelings of lack of motivation or self-esteem, as well as other mental health disorders such as experienced stress, eating disorders, and lack of sleep, also contribute to the psychology burden experienced by victims. Next, the impact on teacher. Poor mental health can also cause stress for teacher. This happens because teacher will think about way and solution to the problems their students are facing. Apart from that, teacher also become less focused so that the quality of what is taught will then to display. And then impact for education system learning outcomes are indicator of education success. The learning environment is one of the things that is very influential for students. In undergoing education, a learning environment that is not support can result in student learning outcomes not being optimal of that education goals cannot explain it. And then solution for the material. The first is imperfect. All student is very expert activity carried out at school. Next, provide opportunity for all students to express their ideas and complain. Next, provide understanding to students to accept each other's shortcomings, so look after each other and respect each other. And then provide education directly and also through electronic media such as education shows, schedules, and curtain day. And then, apart from school officially and students' parents must also be involved in training to maintain student mental health. And then conclusion. Mental health is a very important thing. Students' mental health can be affected through their learning environment such as bullying by their friends. To maintain mental health, especially students, school need to provide mental health support. One of things is involving all students in doing something. Come on, teachers and prospectively teachers, like let's take care of the mental health of our students to achieve more optimal education goals. Oke, uh, itu saja dari saya. Terima kasih.